Okay guys, I am adding an extra video here because I forgot something in the previous one. So the lock-on doesn't work right now if you are in your running state. And that's because I forgot to add the rule. We need a rule between here to here. So let's add that. So to go from the strafe to the walk run, what we need is should move. Get it. We need and, because we need this and the lock on. So should move is good, but lock on should be false. Where is it? Or not, I mean. Not. Boolean. Okay, connect them. We'll copy all of this. Go back here. This is the walking to the strafing. Same thing, except for we delete the not. And then it should work. So let's compile, save. Yeah, there we go. Now it's back to my weird hodgepodge of animation styles here, but there you have it. So make sure you add that transition. It should work now. Okay, bye.